everyone, welcome back to This Teen Travelz. I'm Mateo, and on this channel, I review Walt Disney from a teen's perspective, covering everything that matters to you, from Wi-Fi speeds, to pool vibes, gaming setups, to once-in-a-lifetime sweets. I've got you covered. On this special episode, I'm taking you inside the most luxurious suite at one of the most historic hotels I've ever stayed at, the Dearborn Inn in Michigan. Yup, the presidential suite. Let's get into it. The Dearborn Inn opened in 1931, right across from the Ford Airport, and it was actually built by Henry Ford himself. This place has serious history, and it's hosted icons like Lucille Ball, Dwight Eisenhower, Walt Disney, and more. It's more than just a hotel. It's a time capsule of elegance and innovation, and today we're heading straight into its crown jewel. Welcome to the Presidential Suite. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted by a cozy sitting area, and a view into the bedroom beyond. It's got that classy, timeless vibe, with warm tones, a king bed, and tasteful lighting. Turning the corner, we're in a long hallway lined with Ford blue tiles on top and white tile below. Super cool detail. On both sides, massive closets with a changing table and a full mirror. I felt like I was in a movie just getting ready here. Then you've got the water closet on the right, and check out this huge shower with a rain head and handheld option. Honestly, I didn't want to leave. The dual sink vanity setup, also top tier. Back through the bedroom, we head into the living area. Hardwood floors, stylish rugs, comfy seating, and a massive wall-mounted TV. The perfect space to chill or binge your favorite shows. Then we head over to the dining area, and wow, this place is huge. A table for 8, a sleek wet bar in the back, and even a guest bathroom tucked around the corner. This suite isn't just a room, it's an entire apartment. Legend has it, guests like Marilyn Monroe and Ronald Reagan stayed in suites just like this one. And honestly, I get it. Between the classy touches and quiet elegance, it feels like stepping to another world. If you're celebrating an anniversary, planning a proposal, or just want to feel like royalty for a night, this is the place. The Dearborn Inn has mastered that mix of vintage charm and modern comfort, and the presidential suite, total bucket list material. If you ever get the chance, this suite is so worth it. And even if you're not staying overnight, just visiting this hotel is like walking through history. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hotel reviews from a teen's point of view. And follow me on Instagram at This Teen Travelz for behind-the-scenes content from this stay. See you in the next one. Bye!